Hi, it's Mark here. I thought I'd do a quick video on a site, and this is a Redrow site in Nuneaton in Warwickshire, and a lot of people ask me about getting trades guys. Well, if you want a trades guy, this is where they all are. They're all parked up, they've all got jobs in this site, and they're all contractors. Some are in vans, some are in cars. You imagine all the trades guys to have sign-written vans bumbling about the place and doing their work, but actually in reality, they're all at work. 9 o'clock in the morning or 5 to 9 in the morning, and they're all parked up on site. This is a Redrow site. It's a good old site. This is quite a nice size one, and they're all parked up in the car park, and they're at work. So let's say I put a business card under each of the windscreens of these cars or vans. You'll probably pick up a decent crew here when they're finished. Obviously, they're working now. They're working on this Redrow site. But if you put your business card or a leaflet in the windscreen wipers of the vans, you'll probably pick up a decent crew here. And we know they're all reasonable trades guys because they're all working on a site. So we know they're pretty good. And that's one way to get a crew together to do a refurb or to do a job on a house or do even little jobs. Because when these guys aren't working, when it comes to the depths of winter and they all sort of want inside jobs and stuff, there might not be work here. They might have finished the work here. So let's just have a quick, I don't want to go on site because I'm not really allowed. So here at Roof, we're at watertight in here. So this house here that's getting the guys working on the roof there. So that'll be watertight in about a month and a half's time. That'll be done, and the inside crews will be in there then. So cracking, I just thought I'd take a video because it was right on the roadside. And well, it's how to get them. This is where they all are. This is where they all hang out. And these are all qualified guys. They've all been, vetted and checked and stuff. They all do work. And it's a cracking way to put a crew together. I'll get an individual trades guy for a job. Now, I don't know. Let's take this van here. Everyone imagines that all the trades guys run around in these sign-written vans, but you can see they're not sign-written. 90% of the vans in this car park are not sign-written. They're all blank. There's a couple of sign-written ones, but most of them are blank, and that's what trades guys run around in, and that's what's like in the builders merchants. Most of them are actually blank. So there you go. I hope it helps. Just a quick video on getting trades guys and crews. Here's Mark. I'll speak to you soon.